supports heart health, contains vitamin E for antioxidant support, may improve insulin sensitivity. What say 2011 to 2016 study? Tips how to use high heat cooking. Today we're uncovering 7 lesser known health benefits of canola oil that might surprise you. Let's dive in. Extracted from the seeds of the vibrant canola plant, canola oil is a staple in many kitchens. Beyond its culinary versatility, it offers several health advantages that are often overlooked. Here are 7 health benefits of canola oil you might not be aware of. Before this, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Number 1. Supports heart health. Canola oil is low in saturated fat and rich in unsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. This composition helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, thereby supporting cardiovascular health. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has authorized a qualified health claim stating that limited and not conclusive scientific evidence suggests that eating about 1.5 tablespoons, 19 grams of canola oil daily may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease due to its unsaturated fat content. Number 2. Provides essential omega-3 fatty acids. Canola oil is a good source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own. ALA is crucial for maintaining overall health, including supporting heart and brain function. Number 3. Contains vitamin E for antioxidant support. Rich in vitamin E, canola oil acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the body's cells from oxidative damage. This can contribute to overall cellular health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 4. May aid in reducing inflammation. Some studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in canola oil may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic conditions. However, more research is needed to fully understand this potential benefit. Number 5. May improve insulin sensitivity. Some studies suggest that diets incorporating canola oil may improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for blood sugar control and may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. However, further research is necessary to confirm these findings. Number 6. Versatile and suitable for various cooking methods. With its high smoke point and neutral flavor, canola oil is suitable for various cooking methods, including frying, baking, and sautéing. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for health-conscious cooking. Number 7. What say 2011 to 2016 study? One 2011 study concludes that people who eat more canola oil than other oils rich in saturated fatty acids may experience lipid-lowering effects. The researchers also suggest that canola oil could be considered heart-healthy. A 2016 book claims that many dietitians believe that canola oil should be considered the healthiest edible oil due to its fatty acid composition and other nutrient properties. It also contains a low amount of saturated fat compared with other vegetable oils. Tips how to use high heat cooking. With a smoke point of approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, canola oil is ideal for high-temperature techniques like sautéing, frying, and roasting. Its stability at these temperatures ensures your dishes cook evenly without compromising flavor or nutritional value. Proper storage. To maintain freshness, store canola oil in a cool, dark place. When stored properly, it can remain stable for up to 1 year. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay healthy and happy cooking.